All right, guys, it's already Tuesday. We're going to do our word work for today. Remember that we have two new areas. One is our rhyming. First, I'm going to say the words, then you're going to copy me, and then I'm going to give you time like this to give me a thumbs up, yes, they rhyme, or a thumbs down, no, they don't rhyme. Our other new spot is our medial or middle sound. Okay. Some come. I hope you gave me a thumbs up. Some come rhyme. Bake rain. Okay, we're going to try this. They ache. Ain, because they have the different ending sound, they do not rhyme. I hope you did a thumbs down for that one. Hot got. You're right. Thumbs up. Good job. Light did. I hope you gave me a thumbs down. Light and did do not rhyme. They do not end the same. See me. Yep, those ones rhyme. Good job. Okay, we're going to do our beginning sound. D, dog. Ran. T, two. V, violet. B, bee. Okay, good job. Now we're going to blend our words together, okay? Hay, stack, haystack. Someone, someone. Nowhere, nowhere. Sweat, shirt, sweatshirt. Make up, makeup. Good job. Okay, this is where we're doing our middle, our medial sounds. P, et, eh. Good job. Now your turn. Okay. L, eh. Your turn. T, N, eh. W, eb, eh. B, egg, eh. Yep, all our middle sounds were e today. Good job. Okay, we're going to chop our words. Get your choppers out. Remember, present them first, then chop, and you repeat after me. Outside, outside. Into, into. Hallway, hallway. Daycare, daycare. High chair, high chair. Okay, we're going to be adding words. Start with the word air. Add plane to the end makes airplane. Okay, start with the word sun. Add rise to the end makes sunrise. Start with the word tree. Add top to the end makes treetop. Start with the word up. Add stairs to the end makes upstairs. Okay, now we're going to be deleting part of our word. Okay, we're starting with the word evergreen. Without green, what's left? Ever. Good job. Start with the word overflow. Without flow, what's left? Over. Start with the word ponytail. Without tail, what's left? Pony. Good job. Start with the word waterfall. Without fall, what's left? Water. Start with the word buttonhole. Without hole, what's left? Button. All right. Last part is our nursery rhyme. Remember, I'm going to say it first. You repeat after me. Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle. Okay, see if you could do both of those lines without any help. And we'll learn some more tomorrow.